update.
What's good, everybody? Your boy DJ Fame, Living Social, Mike's Hard Lemonade, Labor Day weekend with your boy Ace of Spade, taking pictures of his food right now. Look, I just did a wrong thing. I thought it was salad dressing, all right? I really thought it was salad dressing. That's not salad dressing, man. That's hot sauce. I just put hot sauce on my salad.
Don't worry, I did it too.
I'm upset. I'm really upset right now, but I'm gonna eat this. My whole face feels hot from this hot sauce on my salad because I thought it was French dressing. Oh man, look at this guy. Upset. We're gonna keep this moving forward. We got everybody out here right now. Hours away before we go into the second party. Oh boy, I heard they're supposed to be doing some zip lining, so I'm gonna get into that. This guy, he's afraid of heights. He don't do them type of things.
We'll see. It's the most I can do. But I got hair in my food. Doesn't matter. We're in the wilderness anyway.
Oh man, so yo, we gonna enjoy our food. We got my lemonade. Hope that's lemonade. Some food. And keep this moving, man. About to bust my ass in this chair.